The 100 Most Common English Phrases series. Do you know the 100 most common English phrases? Well, let's find out. In this series, we are going to learn the 100 most common English phrases. Now, to learn 100 phrases at one time is quite difficult. So what we will do is we will separate them into tens. So today we will learn the top 10 most common English phrases. So we'll go 1 through 10. And in the next video, we'll go 11 to 20. Then the following video after that will go from 21 to 30 and all the way up to 100. So this will be the 100 most common English phrases series. Now, I'm not only going to teach you the phrases, I'm also going to give you some sample dialogues or sample role plays so you can see how we use these phrases. All right, so in today's lesson, we will do the top 10 most common English phrases. All right, so the following will be the most commonly used phrases in English. And in this series, we're going to start off quite easy because the more common it is, usually the easier the word or phrase is. But it will get more and more difficult as we go through all of the videos. There will be 10 videos in total. So, number 1, hello. Okay, hello is a greeting. Number 2, how are you? This is a very common question. Number 3, what's up? What's up is a very common greeting in English. It kind of means hello. It kind of means how are you? So if I say what's up, a common reply is what's up. Number 4, the 4th most common English phrase is I'm sorry. Number 5, thank you. Number 6, you're welcome. Number 7, excuse me. Now, excuse me, we can use this in a couple of different ways. One way is maybe I'm trying to pass someone and maybe they are in my way. So I would say, excuse me, and then I would walk past. Another one is I would use excuse me at the beginning of the sentence. Maybe I want to ask a question. So maybe I would say, excuse me, where is the bank? So I use it at the very beginning. Number 8, could you please? Okay, this is a question. Could you please? Could you please turn on the TV? Could you please turn up the volume? We use this as a question. It's a very polite question. Number 9, the 9th most common English phrase is nice to meet you. All right, we use this phrase after we meet someone for the first time. Number 10, the 10th most common English phrase is goodbye. All right, so this is a way to say bye when you've finished talking with someone, when you've finished meeting with someone, you're going to leave, then you say goodbye. Okay, so now we know the 10 most common English phrases. Let's see how we use them in English. In the following part of this video, I am going to do a role play. I'm going to show you how we use these 10 phrases. If you have any questions during the dialogue, please leave them down in the comment section down below. And also, please subscribe to this channel, give me a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. So let's look at the very first dialogue. In this first dialogue, we will be using the words hello and how are you. Hello. Hello. How are you? I'm good. How are you? Dialogue number 2. In this role play, I will use hello and what's up. Hello, what's up? Hey, what's up? Dialogue number 3. In this dialogue, we will use the most commonly used words hello and nice to meet you. Hello, my name is Shelley. Hi, I'm Bob. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Dialogue number 4. In this, we will use I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm late. It's okay. I haven't been waiting long. In the next dialogue, we will use the words excuse me, could you please, thank you, and you're welcome. Excuse me, could you please tell me where the station is? Sure, go straight on the street and turn left at the first intersection. You'll see it on your right. Thank you. You're welcome. Dialogue 6. In this one, we will use the word goodbye. I have to go now. Okay, goodbye. Bye. Okay, so those were the 10 most commonly used words and phrases in English. Make sure you review them again, and we also practice a lot of dialogues here and a lot of conversations. I would recommend that you rewatch that part again and speak along with me. All of the words are on the screen, so if you speak along, you will definitely help your speed and your fluency. If you have any questions about any of these words or any of the conversations, please ask them down in the comment section down below. Also, while you're at it, if you liked this video, if you like these types of videos, please subscribe to this channel, give me a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And so remember, this is going to be a series, the 100 most commonly used words and phrases in English. Today we did the top 10, 1 through 10. Make sure you keep looking out for the next videos because I will be doing 11 to 20, 21 to 30, and so on, all the way up to 100. So there will be 10 videos in this series. These will be the 100 most commonly used words and phrases in English. You should definitely know these phrases because they will help you with your English speaking. All right, so until the next video, until 11 through 20, see ya. Thank you very much for watching today's lesson. Today we practiced the 100 most commonly used words and phrases in English. Today's lesson was the top 10. We learned 1 through 10, the most commonly used words and phrases in English. Now remember, this is a series, the 100 most commonly used words series. So make sure you keep an eye out for the other videos in this series. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and hit the notification bell. And until the next video in the series, see ya.